What we're going to be doing today is replacing a inducer draft motor assembly on a Rheem gas pack. As you can see, what we've already done is on a previous visit we replaced this one. This is the one that failed. This on this call, this is the one that has failed. I already diagnosed it. It is bad. It is seized up mechanically, and so right now what you're gonna do is you're gonna watch me replace it. Go. Alrighty. Whenever you are changing out, Zach, this is for you too. Whenever you're changing out induced draft motors, it's always a good thing to check to see if you see any cracks in the actual heat exchanger. Which I can't really tell from right here. Do you know what it means if there's cracks in the heat exchanger? So if there's cracks in the heat exchanger, then there is carbon monoxide leaking into the space. Okay. Majority of the times, if you have a crack in the heat exchanger or anything like that, if it's a good enough crack, you'll end up getting a rollout, which is where the flame comes out of the heat exchanger. So these little things where you see those little tubes that it goes into right here.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the heat exchanger. So the gas is going in there, going through these tubes back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and then it comes out right here into this compartment. There's a bunch of tubes right here, and then this induced draft motor is sucking that out, all that carbon monoxide, flue gas, and everything, and exhausting it. But
so if it was leaking, then it would just push.
Yeah, because air is scraping across those heat exchangers, so it put carbon monoxide into the building.
Yep.
So we are replacing with an exact match. On top of that, we are replacing the gasket as well. We got the old one out and the new one in. Now I just gotta put the screws in and connect a couple wires, and then we'll be done. That worked. Either one. Yeah. see. So before I changed this out, this one was stuck. This motor was stuck completely. This one we changed it a while back. So this one's almost brand new. This motor right here is almost brand new. This one was old. You can see it's the old motor right here. And so now that I've just turned it back on, it's blowing powerfully. It's blowing great. Love that, love that. Hey y'all, so we just installed a new induced draft motor on this 15-ton Rheem just before sunset. It's looking great. Y'all stay tuned. Thank y'all. Bye.